my name is Anandraj Murugesan. I'm from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have 4 years of experience in Accolite as a senior software engineer, and currently I am working as in the insurance domain. The project. Okay, yeah. Could you please give me intro about?
Yeah, so total 8 years of experience I have in IT industry. I started my career with as a PHP developer.
Mm-hmm.
After move out to the Java, and I am working since last 6 years in the Java, Spring Boot, microservices, and um, uh, currently I'm working in as a associate Java lead in ORM Mantra. So my current project.
You said for last 6 years you have been working in Java, right? And from your experience, could you please give an example on OOPS concept, like from your experience, real time?
So
Do you know what is immutable class in Java?
yeah,
Uh,
immutable. Huh?
yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so immutable class is like string is the immutable class. Uh, um,
Could you please create custom immutable class? Like if you have some class, can you make it immutable?
mm,
Just you can share your screen and just write a code snippet. How we are gonna do that? Uh, yeah, that's fine. It should be fine. Yeah. So there should not be any getter methods, setter methods.
yeah,
Okay, and let's go to the next one. Like, do you know ASMAP internal implementation in Java?
yeah. So
What is the difference between ASMAP and concurrent ASMAP? Okay, are you any other difference you see?
uh, other difference is like already thread safe and not thread safe condition is there. Any other difference?
Okay, if it is thread safe, what is the difference between hash table and concurrent ASMAP? Okay, okay. When do we use array list and when do we use linked list? Like, what is the difference? Where exactly we have to
No, no,
pick?
no. Come again. Come again.
So basically, what is the difference between array list and linked list? Like, in which scenario we will choose linked list and array list?
It,
Example, addition, deletion. So there are certain operations, right?
yeah.
Which one you will pick it up? Okay. In case of deletion, which one is best? You worked on Spring Boot or Spring MVC?
Spring Boot.
Spring Boot. What is the advantage of Spring Boot?
So advanced.
So there are many annotations in Spring Boot, right? What is the difference between at the rate bin and at the rate auto? What do you see as a difference between setter and constructor injection? Have you worked on any design pattern?
Yeah, a design pattern, builder design pattern, like it.
Okay,
I
okay.
worked on
Builder, what else?
it. I worked on the factory design pattern also, and another some design pattern. Singleton I worked on.
Could you please quickly write code snippet for factory design pattern, like the scenario which you worked on? Any scenario. Have you worked on Hibernate?
Yeah.
Hibernate. Oh, what is lazy loading in Hibernate? Could you please
So,
explain?
a lazy loading is like suppose you have a employee class and address is mapped on the employee class. So, for the where you are loading some you are calling the employee object. So, in the case of mapping of the one to many mapping, you can write hash type equal to lazy. So, in that case. What happens when object is getting loaded, the address is not loaded, it is load based on the requirement. So in the case of eagle, all the instances of the inner class, like if address is mapped inside the employee, or any other object is mapped inside that employee table, like department detail and all those things. So all the things are loaded immediately in multiple table in the case of eager loading. But in the case of lazy loading, when you call that this entity I need, then in that case it is getting loaded. Normally it is not loaded the uh, data of the addresses.
Okay, how do you create session factory in Hibernate? Yeah, have you worked on Java 8
Yeah,
features? Can you list down the features which you worked on?
I worked on the Stream API and Lambda expression, functional interfaces, and a static method, default method, like that,
Okay,
and
can you,
data native. Yeah,
yeah, can you write code for to find number of character occurrences in a string using Java 8 streams?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, now,
Uh,
yeah, now try to find first non-repetitive characters in a string.
yeah.
Just go to yeah. Yes, fine. Uh, can you write on SQL query to find you have employee table and it has field column like salary, employee name. Okay,
Mhm.
just try to find 10th highest employee salary.
You can write like that. Also, you can write like select salary order.
4,5. What does it mean?
Limit, it will put limit that sorry, you want 10 salary, huh? So it will put limit that it will put the record of from 9 to 10. So 10th record will be there, and I have order wise salary descending. So from the top you can find, and through the first also you can find the same.
Okay, okay, fine then. I think I'm done with my questions. Do you have anything to ask?
So your company is hiring for which domain?
Like this information, I won't get this
Okay,
because we are doing
okay, okay,
working projects in a lot of domains like insurance,
okay.
banking, healthcare. Okay, so
Mhm.
HR can what designation you applied for?
I didn't apply for any designation. I got a call from
Okay.
directly from HR.
So just check with them. They must be having all the details.